Welcome back. I'm so glad to be back. So much stuff has changed. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram page, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got some good things coming in store for you all. I hope you enjoyed this video with the Express Microlink install. So here, before I get ready to install Microlinks, I do a silk press. But I do not do a silk press without my texture protector. If you want to make sure you can keep your natural curl pattern, this is the spray that you need to use prior to flat ironing any type of hair. So here I am installing the links for the Microlink Wefts. And now the Microlink Wefts are installed. Look at how flawless that is. Look at it. The hair that we're using is 24-inch straight luxury version hair. You can pull your hair up into a ponytail seamlessly with no problems. Y'all have to stop getting these bad installs where you're limited to what you can do. With the Express Microlinks, you could do anything. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Now you see a full head of Microlink installed. Weft extensions are installed. Look at how that hair bounces and looks natural. Now tell me what kind of hair extension install you can get that looks this natural, that you can pull into a ponytail. Like, sis, come on. You know I'm the GOAT. Stop playing. Now, click on the link below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn how to do this technique, if you're tired of your 9 to 5 or your 11 to 7, sign up for the Hair University where I can teach you how to do a flawless install like this. If you don't want to leave your 9 to 5, sign up. Come get an appointment. I got you. The best install ever. Express Microlink extensions.